Prolight and Sound 2025 with Elation, where innovation meets creativity in professional lighting. We're thrilled to have you here to uncover new artistic frontiers and experience tomorrow together. Today you will discover how cutting-edge technology and design combine to illuminate the imagination, inspiring new worlds of brilliance, color, precision, and dynamic effects. Now get ready to explore some of Elation's most advanced tools, enabling creatives to craft extraordinary visual experiences. Introducing Elation's new flagship fixture, Paragon, the new standard in lighting precision and creativity, and Elation's most advanced fixture series to date. Paragon redefines versatility, color control, and flexibility in LED profile luminaires. From concept to execution, every detail of Paragon has been refined to ensure that it represents a leap forward in intelligent lighting for entertainment. Paragon is built around a custom-designed white LED engine and Elation's pioneering True Tone variable CRI system. True Tone delivers unparalleled flexibility for designers to find the best blend of lighting intensity and color accuracy. True Tone allows seamless adjustment from CRI 73 to CRI 93, offering a true variable color fidelity that enhances mixed color tones and enables